Bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada bum, 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 bum.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, what I'm gonna be cooking is something goes by the name of Estanboli. That's a traditional Persian dish. What it contains of is rice and some potatoes and some tomatoes. Now you know that I like my meat, so I'm not gonna have just carbs by itself. I need some protein in there. So what I'm gonna be doing is adding some meat in there as well. As far as I'm aware, usually they don't add meat to it, so that's just me adding my twist to it to, you know, make it likable for me. So I won't get any more details. Make sure you follow, share, like, comment, and all that good stuff. And now we can begin the show. As you can see, we've got about a kilo of meat here. Can't even get my words out, I'm so hungry. I just see the meat. All I'm going to do, because these are cubed already, but they're quite big, so what I'm going to do is make them smaller. But yeah, I did just sharpen my knife just before I started the video, but I think I didn't make a good job out of it. It still feels a little bit blunt, and just chuck it in there. Right, so now this is our meat. Okay, all I'm going to do is switch on that one, where is it, to the max, put it on there, no ingredients, no marinating, nothing. I have got the kettle on boiling water. Let me just put that here because it's going to make a mess. Bada bang, bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada bum, 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 bada bing, bada boom, 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 done. Right guys, it's been a while, it's been about 45 minutes, the meat is still going, we're still going to let it do its thing, it's on full blast, haven't slowed down. Meanwhile, what I'm going to do is make some salad to go with our food. And I only need one onion, to be honest with you. And here's what I'm going to do. Be careful with your fingers, guys, when you want to do this, please. Okay. This way, when you leave that bit on, I've probably said it in the videos before, when you leave that bit on, it helps from making you tears, from teary eyes basically. So try that next time, guys. Like right now I'm chopping onions, it's like nothing. I'm not feeling upset, you know, my eyes aren't burning, none of that good stuff. So yeah, there you are. Just chop up the last bits, make it into small pieces. This is called, what I'm going to be making is salad Shirazi. Yeah, they just got nice salad basically. What you want to do, pour it in there. I'm making like very little portion of this, by the way guys, literally just for like one person. Okay, into that. Get your tomato. Take out the unnecessary bit, you know, the part that we don't like. Oh god, that's that. Is that cool? Yep. Job done. Get that in there and all. Okay. Now I've peeled a cucumber. Let's just try that much. Okay, and then into little cubes. Bob's your uncle, mate. You know what I mean? Let's try that out, see if we need any more. If we need some more, we'll add some more. What you want is a pinch of salt, some pepper, okay, and I've got some dry, if I can open it, some dry mint. You just want to squeeze it so it crushes it, right? Gives it a nice taste. A little bit more, and job done. To top it off, you want to add some lime juice, okay? Maybe a pinch more, okay? I'm going to add a little bit, tiny bit of olive oil. Job done. Get this bad boy, mix it up. Okay. Your onion, be careful with your fingers. Okay. Put that to a side. Right. Time for the next batch. Now this is going to go into food, guys. This isn't going to be part of the salad. Okay. So what you want to do, get that. Oh boy, I really should have sharpened my knife. Okay, here's what you want to do. Get your pan, stick in your onions that you just chopped up earlier. Turn it on, pinch of olive oil. Right, now it's been a few minutes. What you want to do is get your tomatoes, just gently pour them in. Okay, give it all a good mix. By the way, guys, I do apologize. I totally forgot. These are potatoes. I've chopped them up just after I cut the video. I did forget to show you guys that, so I do apologize. And now what you want to do, ladies and gentlemen, is this is just one potato. You can put more if you want, but I thought I'd keep it nice and simple. Right, mix that up. Let that crack on for about 10 minutes. And then we can add the rest of the stuff. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now what you want to do is season your food. Starting off with a pinch of salt. We need some pepper. We need some turmeric. That's quite a bit. We need a bit of that Persian gold stuff. It's Persian saffron. And now what you want to do is get your rice. I've pre-washed it. Put it in. Turn your meat off. Drain it. Right, once your meat is drained, you're going to put it all in. And then give it a good stir. Yeah, you see it's drying up. But that's absolutely fine. You don't need to worry about that. Stir everything up. Get all the ingredients mixing with each other. Okay, and now top up with water. We may need some more. I'll add some more, but this is basically it. You just want to get this going, get it all mixed up nicely. Okay. I'll add some more to the. Add some more water to this. You guys will probably want to see it. Put the lid on, give it half an hour, 40 minutes, and it is ready to be eaten, guys. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, our food is there. It's ready. I left it to boil for, well, wow, it's been about a good 40 minutes. Still there's some water in it, so I took off the lid to evaporate, and I believe we're good to go. All I got here now is a plate, and what you're going to do is just place it within your plate, obviously. Okay, there you are, ladies and gentlemen. That is your Estanboli. That's your rice, your potatoes, tomatoes, and my extra bit, which is some of the meat. So bon appetit, share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up